Cockroaches wanna play rough. Okay, I'm reloaded.
Because we're deciding to go raw. Yeah, that's right. I want to feel some of my greatest greatness.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This nigga here. Okay. I'll let your ass come to America to be a human, coming to Earth, living out this earthly experience to learn something new. Almost had a panic attack the first time. So now you're trying to tell me that you're leaving Zamunda, coming back to America, leaving our greatest greatness, existing as this infinite chaos being that we are. The golden child. Imagine that life, trading places as the holy man. Instead, you want to be a Beverly Hills cop or a doctor that do little. And mind you, on Earth, you have to be a daddy, picking up your triplets from daycare, because we're deciding to go raw. Yeah, that's right. I want to feel some of my greatest greatness. Looking like a Shrek on this plane. Or a nutty professor.
Oh, Hercules.
Nah, my name ain't Hercules. Dolomite is my name. And having dream girls is my thing. You got 24 to 48 hours to explain your best defense for coming back down to Earth. Being a vampire in Brooklyn. Running around during these Harlem nights. Hell, I know you ain't trying to go to church down there, mister. I was trying to warn you the first time. With all them haunted mansions I put you in. I spy with my only eye a donkey, a jackass. Because you acting delirious. Ought to boomerang Norbit your ass to Pluto, like Nash with the past. Or okay, I might let your ass go back to Earth to make you a distinguished gentleman, meeting Dave, Thomas, and Bobby Bowfinger. But this fall right here, it's not gonna be easy. And the tower you're gonna climb ain't gonna be an easy heist. Amnesia for real, Naga. No Lisa, no Mulan. Okay, God. If that's what you want to do, well, let's do the damn thing. But shit, I'll be asleep. Showtime. Dream wise.